Seedream 2.0 is a super powerful AI video generation model, so powerful and so uncensored, in fact, that Hollywood got mad. And the company behind Seedance, ByteDance, has added safeguards to not infringe on copyright. This has created a bit of a stir because you can't use realistic human faces as a reference image for your videos. Fortunately, there is a solution that you can use on Venice. So here we are in the Venice interface, and we'll see in the image generation models, there's this new model available, Seedream V5 Lite. Now, what Seedream V5 Lite will do when you generate a photorealistic image or any image is put a hidden watermark on your image, which will then tell Seedance that it is AI generated and it's okay to use this image. So if I create a sample reference image, let's say a headshot of a YouTuber in a white background, here we have a photorealistic face. I'll click create video. I'll make sure we're using Seedance, just use the fast model, and I'll say zoom out as YouTuber sticks up his thumbs and says, hell yeah, this video is going to be awesome. Something like that. I'll click this magic wand so to enhance the prompt a little bit. We'll go to the settings. We'll go with a 5-second shot here. This is going to cost 72 credits, which is 72 cents. And
hell yeah, this video is going to be awesome.
There we go. It used a human realistic face because this image was generated with Seedream V5 Lite. Now let's imagine we want to create character reference files for consistent photorealistic human characters with Seedance. Once again, using Seedream V5 Lite, a policewoman in a hybrid cyberpunk jungle warfare suit facing the camera direct shot. So there's our first image, and we'll click that edit image button. Say change the angle to 90-degree side profile. Okay, so there we have our 90-degree view. And let's do one more. Change the angle to capture the back of the woman's head. And now we have the back. So now I'll start a new chat here. I'll scroll over to the image to video models, and I'll find a Seedance R2V reference to video model, and I'll attach our 3 reference images. And you know what? Let's create a villain too. A fugitive outlaw in a hybrid cyberpunk jungle warfare sci-fi. Photorealistic. We'll enhance the prompt. Okay, and we'll edit that one time. Show the character standing facing straight ahead, a direct POV. All right, another angle of them. You can obviously get very detailed with these images. For now, we have what we need. And now we'll tag our reference image 5 is hiding from reference image 1 in the jungle as she chases him down. He gets off a few quick shots, but hits a nearby tree. She runs away towards the sound of the shots. He throws away his rifle and runs. Epic chase scene ensues. I'm going to make this a 15-second shot. Let's just get this whole scene here. Let's enhance the prompt. I'm going to have to re-tag the reference images here. We shoot that off. Another way to do this is simply edit the image to a full body character sheet. And here we have a front view, a side view, and a back view. And we can also use that as a reference image for Seedream. All right, so here we have our 15-second shot. It already looks like it's going to be banger. Looks like Disneyland. There we go. Great reference. Great cuts, great edits. Great music. So there you have it. Character consistency with Seedream 2.0. You have to get a bit creative to get around these guardrails, but it is possible. Just generate the images with Seedream. Happy creating.